Hi, welcome to another video about hypothesis testing using the binomial distribution. It says, in the main branch of a supermarket, customers brought a tie to a non-tie ready meals in the ratio of 2:3. The management wanted to test to see if this is true in another express branch and found that in a random sample of 12, that 2 customers bought tie ready meals. Test at the 5% level of significance whether or not the proportion of customers buying tie ready meals in the express branch is different to the main branch. The proportion of customers buying tie to meals, buying a tie meal from the main branch is 2 to 5, and that's because the ratio of 2 to 3 is 2/5 to 2/5. We're going to let P be the probability who buy a tie ready meal at an express branch. So H0 is P is equal to 2/5. 2 out of 5 buy a tie ready meal at the express branch. And then H1 will be that P is not equal to 2/5. The probability is not 2 out of 5 who buy a tie ready meal at the express branch, because here we are just looking for a difference, not an increase or decrease. Therefore, this is a two-tailed test. Let X be the random variable, the number of people who buy tie ready meals at the express branch, and therefore X will be binomially distributed 12, 2/5. Note, if the mean for this binomial distribution is NP, which is 12 times 2/5, which is 4.8. And so we have a bit of a dilemma with the two-tailed test. Do we look at the upper tail or the lower test? We're only interested in 2, which is going to be less than that, so we should go for the lower tail. So we need to calculate the probability of X being less than or equal to 2 for this distribution. So the probability of X is less than or equal to 2. So on your Casio CGP50 calculator, go to the distribution menu and select binomial. Go for the lower tail and put X at 2 and the number of trials at 12 and P being probably 0.4, 2/5. Okay, if you want this number to more, the probability to a greater number of decimal places, just highlight that one and do option F1, and we're going to get the answer here is 0.08344. So if you don't have a calculator, I've got this app where the link I'll put in the notes of this video, and you can work out all the probabilities using this. We're looking for the lower tail, so we'd need to set A equal to 2, with N equal to 12, and probability success equal to 0.4. And then make the conclusion as 0.0834. Now, normally it's 5%, but if we've got two-tailed test, then the N regions are going to be 0.025, and the upper N region will be 0.025. So this number is greater than this, therefore we do not reject H0 and say there is insufficient evidence to suggest that the probability who buy a tie ready meal at the express branch is different to the main branch. Okay, so it's very important you state the conclusions properly by doing the comparison, whether you're going to reject or not reject, and then some sort of statement, but you need to put insufficient and the words to suggest that in order not to be too assertive. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to do a two-tailed test using a binomial distribution. The link of the GeoGebra app I will put in the notes of the video. I hope you have understood this, and you may be consider subscribing to my channel, where you'll find thousands of videos to help you with A-level maths. Thank you very much for watching.